Outstanding design defines the 2013 Audi A5. This two-door, four-passenger coupe will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Audi made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Audi prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power front seats, rain-sensing wipers, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.